All right, welcome back. For those who still listen and still the original Naija station, Naija FM 102.7. Of course, now three musketeers right now. We don't day on balance seat right now to cross the bridge together before we hand you over to Lady JJ. And Lady JJ is looking very fantastic. I first seen I post clothes for her body.
Don't be night post.
I said, Lady JJ, don't be night post.
Don't be night post.
Don't be night post. So now the position. Now the post.
No, I don't know. I never even looked the words like that. So.
She can't wear red lipstick. Red lipstick is looking like Ruby Who.
Oh, I don't miss that lipstick. I use them only once. When it's still there, nice. When it's still there, affordable. Right now.
So how far with the Hosanna going on?
Hosanna, they going well. So far, so good. Subscribers don't reach 116 or be 117 now. Okay. And the views don't do over 500 views. But make I put them out here now. They need to correct the audio. The audio, and be like say they get one or two things where they miss out for inside the audio when they mix them. So possibility they say I go take down that video so that we go correct the audio and put them back and put a new one. So
that means that new one go want new set of views.
And go one new set of views. Okay. But what's doing well? What did they talk about? What's doing is what doing well. You know, excellence now be the cocoa of the opera. So
okay. But hey, you just say don't get that
500 views already.
So you go prefer make I leave am as e dey.
But again, for that our NYSC campaign, Lady JJ give us so. She's one of the
you know say nah she be out person. So if she no give us, who you want make you give us? You know
if I say I give anything less now, na for yap me well.
If Davido can give us, David can give us. Now Davido can't give us.
You shock you, Abi.
No look down anybody get package you.
In the headquarters of excellence today, so
yes,
if we serve go the next one, like we need to give them song. We just them.
No, one thing really encourage me. Nah, the way I see you, I see Osam. I don't know where you did.
I decide.
No, you know they on top stage. Only me they on top stage.
Oh, okay.
I decide of the stage.
When you talk, Abi.
When are they sing?
No, we now Becca do together.
Oh, okay, you did it. Okay, now Becca is in our Osam. I see. When they do choir vibes. But that one really, I no go lie. That one really ginger me. I no go lie. But to be very honest, the reaction from I no expect. I never expect it. Yeah. I just like The truth of the matter, I say, I don't talk on before. When I did stage, I did sing, I did my zone. That's not the truth. So if you see me on top stage, you know go fit understand this Lady J where they on top stage. We know they on stage. We be different.
You know, say
personalities.
Sorry, they refer to Beyonce because I remember one time we say they asked Beyonce whenever she want to perform on stage, say she they turn to a different person entirely. She say people like say it's different spirits. They come on her. So I don't know if now evil spirit or godly spirit. I don't know. But she thought say a different spirit entirely comes.
You when you understand what in person they sing, like for somebody like me now, before I go up stage, I don't already pray.
You don't scabash.
I don't scabash. I don't go somewhere, sit down, listen to the song again, pray, and say, Holy Spirit, I beg, help me. I climb that stage. I need your help. I know if you do it by myself. You know, so even they themselves, whatever the influence where then they under. Now when I say influence, not be necessarily drugs or anything where then they pay homage to or pay what they call obedience or allegiance to. Now they go talk to. They say, I won't climb that stage. Help me.
And that's it.
That's it.
Because even our host say you need first to scabash all over the camp before you come on stage. So that do.
Yeah. I don't see I'm the kabash. I see them they go everywhere. They walk out, they talk, they do this or they do that one. So I don't see why they kabash.
Like the way they look big.
Why they you want change maths?
All of it. I say it's the way you say like ooh. No, it's me. Now
No, but for a first. Yeah. If I want rate you, I go give you a 50 because even me. The only time where I host, not even one line where I talk. I talk that line finish, then you have me where when we finish. I not be say I never host. I don't host events, but the NYC events now a different ball game altogether. So I doff my heart for anybody who fit host that kind of event. Children's party, oh nice event, great.
But you say to actually host event with adults, not just adults. We be say now. Youths like this, event they had to.
That's why I surprised. I surprised when they get that kind of reaction. And they feel sorry for some of the artists when they perform, when they go, they look them, they say, I beg now, look na talk now. I be na the vex for me. Just make up be like say you they beg.
Then I think this particular batch too. They're not
easy.
They're not easy.
They're not easy at all. They're not easy at all. Yes, it be.
All right. Maybe we just enter into the question.
So, but before we enter into the cocoa, I beg, make you know, I be want send you that video of this Ghanaian banker where her husband kill him. He gun him down with 7 bullets. They marry. I think for 20 days they marry. The man a pastor. And I think in brother too na pastor. So she dey attend the church. Say as she sit down for church, now the pastor dey preach. He come tell am say she go marry somebody wey name na Philemon. Na Philemon. And the junior brother of that pastor name na Philemon. So they say it dey possible say they don't see am, they don't do their background checks on her. Say she dey work for bank. Now I can't give am that kind of prophecy. Say her family no want me she marry the guy. But she go ahead marry him. She marry and finish. Notice that the guy in a very, very controlling guy. Issues up and down. Narcissist person. Because narcissist, one characteristic of a narcissist man, then they very controlling. The guy issues up and down. Now she called the 5 for divorce. So one day when you know day house, she pack her look come out, go back to her family house. And video day, the recovery day when the man come. Her family house. Now even her brother, now he face him. Now he the brother say, if he no kill his sister, then be fake. So they say 2 days later, she go by she go work. She dey work for bank. Say she be even assistant, like all this top rank, but assistant to the assistant manager, be assistant MD, something, but the rank big sha. So she drive enter inside her office for the parking lot. As she come out from car, now so the man come out to gun am in the presence of customers, in the presence of her colleagues, in the presence of people, gun am down with 7 bullets.
Now he be the pastor.
Now he be the pastor. Now we kill him. When he kill him, finish, he go back to his house. Of course, in 48 hours, then they arrest the guy. I think yesterday they say they lay him to rest, and it just break my heart. She be 27 years old. 27 years old, but unfortunately now. She don't lose her life because of the person which she married. I think one pain me. Even for the video, when her brother they say, hope you not get that threat on top camera. Now he say he can't say I go call the police or I'm going to call the cops. Her voice they say no. She say no, may they no call the cops. I say why ladies they do like this? Somebody can't threaten your life in the presence of your family, and for your own safety, make them call police. They say no.
Because maybe he just see that threat as an empty threat for her. She know fitting as something where the man where they once loved each other. Maybe she know things.
She don't think say man fit do that kind of thing.
See, me I always tell people, now before you will talk, say okay, na church person you want marry. See, devil can use anybody, just like God can use anybody. If they talk, say, oh, okay, this guy, now church, I meet him, I believe him, I trust him pass the person where they outside. They say test all spirits.
Even Bible say test all spirits.
Test all spirits.
Even Bible say test all spirits.
But the one where you meet for church, the one where you meet for outside, because now they'll be like say the devil now they live for inside church. Because if now pastor you talk say this man actually be.
I ain't be pastor. He be pastor.
No, that's in matter don't actually pass the care for. They say judgment go start from the church.
Any pastor.
Don't just talk say okay because one brother in a church you meet him or you believe say you don't need to do your own findings investigation and say spirits. No, say you they deceive yourself.
Who sings always say devil still the way right?
Even devil still dey na Pastor Dankin.
But now the truth be that if they wear white, even Bible say when devil appear to Jesus to tempt him, he appear as an angel of light.
Because now angel be before
exactly.
Now in work with that.
Now in work with that. So open your eyes. You know they enough to talk say in they pray well. If you they pray well, if you they beat you, if you they do so many abusive things to you.
Look at the husband of that woman now. That woman. Osinachi.
Oh.
The husband and a church person too. And he still do it to kill his wife.
The thing be say sometimes then we dey talk say church no be character.
Church no be character.
Church na church. Church na
hospital.
Yeah, where be everybody mad people, mental people.
Everybody where the church no the alright. Now to come, everybody know the alright. So church na church. Church no be behavior.
No, you don't say church na mental home.
No, because I say
no be mental home. Na hospital. And people get different degrees of treatment
for the hospital.
Hospital, different degrees. Just like hospital now, somebody say, now just malaria they do me.
This one na typhoid.
This one na typhoid. So you get different degree. I guess some way be say hey, this one you need to dey sure say this one dey okay and all right. Verify.
And even this okay thing self get levels. You understand? Say person dey okay from this kind level, this level. No mean say dey okay for this level. You understand? So another thing, make sure say they strike the balancing. They strike balance for everything. Okay, you get temperament issue, but I know say if I beg him, he go.
See, at the end of the day, just like they talk, people like saying everybody they bring your own baggage.
Baggage now.
Which baggage you fit live
and do exactly.
So if you don't say this kind baggage where this person they bring, come not be one way we say you go fit accommodate, let the person
let the person
because
know.
you yourself, they perfect, right? So as they bring your baggage, and they bring my own baggage as well.
Go mix them
So
together.
come to a clear term.
Exactly.
But the thing I say, most times God in his mercy, he dey allow us see the red flags.
But we dey
paint them to white. I dey use myself as an example. The last experience where I never did narcissistic man before, and that na a whole different kind of experience. So when I dey hear ladies say, "I did to controlling," I remember my experience.
But
I see the red flags.
You see them.
I see them. But I feel say, be like this when we start. Okay, make I give them time. Maybe just this stress. Stop to they make excuses for bad behavior. Stop them because me I don't stop them. Me and my brother they talk which day. I say, look, lizard where they Nigeria. If you travel go America, turn to alligator. That na still lizard. That na say who you be. If you not fit change as a single person, no expect when you marry this person will change. You get some attitude actually where fit change. Get some attitudes but once you dey hot tempered, even as a single person, no be think say if I marry you go kuda. You go want because you go see things to go vex you the more. What you go can't do?
So see somebody like me, all the few people wey beside I don't date. If I don't see any sign, say you they get kolo. And they show you say your kolo they learn. I'm so sorry. I go tell you straight. Say, see, you get one. You know I'm already. He showed me one character the other day, and I'm like, hello. And it's where he eyes. You understand? If you see me beside her, you go think say I be dwarf because like you
get body, get height.
When I talk to him, he look me again from up. He look me for ground again. Say you. Are you more than this? I say, well, Ogbeni, don't talk to me ever. And they look up, like, don't talk to me again ever like this. They come, they smack my hand. Like, like, did you just I'm warning you? Make small girl, they use like, I say, I'm warning you. But after that, we turn them to joke, and you don't repeat them again. But so,
no.
And again, this red flag thing, sometimes, person wey wan marry no go show you some things.
You no go show you some things.
Na inside the marriage you go see am say
so you hide all these things.
Come by Lara. You understand? So you get some people say I don't want to lose this guy. Make I no show myself. I don't want to lose this woman.
Make I no show my true self.
You understand? So that kind of time the person go dey manage you like you can see binu, you can see solar, make I just make I allow, make I I must marry. So sometimes some things are not being reviewed while dating.
Of course.
That's not why you need God to help you. Because me, in my own case, I actually pray. I say, God, I beg. If this relationship not go anywhere, make it no go further than, because that time we don't date for like a month.
1 month.
1 month. No, and I make I say if he no go, because at that 1 month now honeymoon, I no go lie.
Yeah, now honeymoon phase.
So I tell her, look, I beg, see, I like this guy already. I don't fall. But if you no go anywhere, make it no go.
Make God rise you as you don't fall.
No be sure rise me, sir. But funny enough, shortly after I prayed that prayer, now I can see the signs, the hot temperedness, the control. I remember by the time my brother son, he say, I say yes. If he see me, they talk, even with a lady like myself, they ask me, what do they discuss about? Yes.
I mean, lady, are you switching both ways?
No, okay. God forbid. Becca, you know where? Hey, God forbid. God forbid. See, you take the angle where you can't carry.
There is a question.
No, God forbid.
Even if you see say they talk to a woman, that problem. So now why they ask?
No, as per friends now.
That kind of person gets insecurity problem.
Yeah. Like now, one time I get one of my of blessed memory now. I just call him and we talk. I say, "Hi, sugar babe." I do on the phone. He say, "Who is sugar babe?"
Another
on the phone. Well, I no answer. And when I finish, I say, "Why they ask me who be sugar babe?" No, you don't know this my friend again. He say, "Oh, now I make it they call him sugar." He go the question, so now he make. But if now you want to tell them, say, if they're okay for you, if they call with they talk to a lady, go say, baby, this one, that one.
But if
now me they talk to a lady, like I said, go they say, na problem. He say, when. I know, like, and narcissistic men, they know, like, if you confront them. When you catch them red-handed, confront them.
I'm going to confront
they go try, use pride, take cover. I say, I go say,
we talk last week now. If you they catch them for inside,
then I go, they use pride, take cover.
They make you feel bad. So why you catch me?
Now reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology.
Now reverse psychology.
When Mr. Pong come out this time,
somebody saying, I mean, now they talk to say 6 years of my marriage like this. I don't see Shege Banza.
God will help you.
Now really God will help. My sister,
God will
not going to come down from heaven. You understand? See, Madam Osina, she now so they say God will help you.
No, tell her say God will help you. They tell her say make she come on. She say no, divorce they wrong. Gonna see.
Now wait and they talk.
Even her family tell her say leave.
Madam,
okay, separate. She not agree.
If you see say your Shege Banza don't talk, Shege Banza promise. Madam, leave
with your life,
With your life, because
with
this
your life.
You sit down there now, they talk say exactly. You dey see Shege Banza.
Because I swear, I sure say if to say Osinachi get a second chance at life, she go leave. She no go stay.
God I beg.
Again, see, men say they go through stuff so.
And both ways now.
Men they talk. I beg men, guys, Muna they talk.
Ordinary make man cry na problem.
They cry.
Because see, I no go blame these men. You know why? Now from small. They don't register from mine.
So you be man, so you can get whatever you want.
Yes, man up. Why are you crying?
Are
you a woman? They make them look like say it is very, very
petty for a man to cry. Now most of them they turn out to become very ruthless.
Yes.
Some of them they turn out to affect their health. High blood pressure because they bottle in so much. Some of them cry them out. They're very extremely hot tempered. Why? Because they go say, "I be man, swallow am. You be man, swallow." So they bottle up so much. They don't know anything to do again, and it just be like if you put if you boil water inside pot, you cover the pot. When the water dry, the heat go throw away the cover.
Yeah.
Now so it be. Ticking time bomb.
Me, I dey express myself. If you talk like I dey express myself.
No, I even trust you. You are this kind of person.
I dey express myself. I know they shock.
Ferry na silent treatment he dey give.
No. You know, there was something that happened in front of me.
When?
Some time ago, where somebody talks one or two things, and I be somebody where they say I dey watch body language. So after they see in body language, now me come they tell them like this, like calm down. All of a sudden, I saw water dripping. Yeah. Now when I talk, say, no, this guy is a very emotional person. So this leg back beg any woman with leg back go marry no breaking heart too.
Like
I cannot break your heart the other day.
You go they cry.
I cannot break your heart the other day. So even when they play the song, that he had to he first pause. He said, because the family I said the lyrics now they talk.
Now they talk to.
I said like that. You okay? He said, I'm good.
you guys they good. You guys they good. Whether you like them or not, you guys they good.
This man say our family they tell am say she knows say there's nothing outside. Say so make she stay.
There's life outside though. Life day outside though. Hey.
So she said I went to tell am say there's nothing outside. Say make she just do it.
Life day outside. Life day outside for you. Your life day very important. A lot of ladies where they tell they say make them say because of the children. If many of them lose their life, you then get your opportunity. Rest in peace, mommy.
And they get cry for how many years?
For years and years.
Which kind of months?
Which kind of months?
Enter 6 months.
Becca, my mama die. Now we did burial ground. They bury mama. People will follow us go cry for burial ground. Don't they
chop?
Then they chop.
You know, most of the all the area where we dey go today. Now the food we dey always how far so dem hour.
Hey God.
My papa die. After my papa died, then question my mama for something. Say I ain't take die. People where they talk say I ain't take die. After finishing everything, my mama go see cook for them.
They go chop.
Hey
God. You never go meet people. Maybe say maybe na family setting person die for their family. The people wey talk say they wan come mourn and weep with them. You go see say the people go see the people wey dey come mourn with them.
They expect say they go chop.
We go cook for these people. Shey you suppose say no. Na mourn we come mourn with you. They go say whatever food one on me. Na everything you give us.
You know na just nice. I think these things they different for just. My papa died be around. That's my biological father now. Around 16. People where they come with food.
You see,
for us.
Now so it's supposed to be.
They go come with food for us.
That's it's supposed to be.
They go even make sure say my mama chop. They go say, make she chop.
Now your mama go cook for those people where go come.
The food. If you see food. If you see different kinds of food, no appetite to chop. Now beg they go be beg chop. In fact, you go get women where go sleep with for your house that day. They go sleep for your house that day. They go take turns. Some go sleep with you overnight. Some go stay with you in the morning. Some go come in the afternoon. So or they go do that for a period of at least a month before they go finally go.
That was how many years ago? 90 years ago. No be the same. If person die for a person family, and the people and then go come shop your food. Lady JJ, we want they go. It's to 12 already. Maybe no go finish your show for you.
Larry, if you got nothing